The African Cup of Nations is on in earnest. And although it's early, the football's been decent. The venues are beautiful. The surfaces are impeccable. Not to mention the galaxy of stars from the biggest clubs around Europe spread across the 24 teams in the tournament. Of course, the narrative has been loud, long, and clear about the lack of respect being shown to African football and especially the African Cup of Nations compared to the other conference championships such as the Copa America and the European Championships. The talk is that the football world and the world generally are dissing African football and calling the AFCON a smart tournament and blah, blah, blah. But the truth be told, despite the numerous individual stars, African teams, especially at the World Cup, have flattered to deceive. No African team has ever made the semifinals of the World Cup. Instead, they've developed a reputation of being talented underachievers that tend to implode on the big stage. Now, whenever these African teams begin to qualify for the semifinals and the final, and indeed to seriously contend for the World Cup title, then and only then, African football would have earned the world's respect and thus would not have to be begging for that respect.